Hi, I'm Dr. Mohammed Afief Ali. I'm an orthopedic surgeon from. So I got an opportunity by Mr. and Dr. Debjyoti sir and Chinmoy for attending this workshop, which has opened up new avenues for my treatment plans for various orthopedic procedures. I'm very much thankful for their gracious presentation. The way they explain it to us is in very plain language. Even though it's been a while since we've started and sat in the classroom, it didn't feel like so. Their depth of knowledge is extreme. The anatomy, everything is very nice. I mean, they explain it in a very simple way that even a common man could understand. And since we've not been in the classroom for a very long time, as I'm practicing, it was very easy to cope with the process. I definitely recommend this center, Asian Plain Clinic by Dr. Debjyoti sir and Chinmoy sir, to everyone who is a working personnel to come and have this workshop so that they also can open up more avenues in their daily practices. Thank you.